Here we are outside of 101 North Main Street in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. And from what I've seen on pictures online, they have a 1960s Dover block button in here. Let's go check it out. It's very nice. Very nice lobby. Those lights are obviously not original. Staircase is probably original. And here it is. Yes, it's still a 1960s Dover. With the illuminated Christmas tree arrows, and you got the big white arrows. I think are GAL. And here it is. Faster than a bumper. Yes, I got these buttons inside. I knew it. Go down the ground. And here, go down. Oh, I got that indicator. It's locked. Okay, so it's probably out about Eastern. Go up to 2. Here we go. Here 2. Got the 70 style door button. That's an interesting drop ceiling. Go back down to 1. Marshall certificate installed 1966. It's a basic old cab. Fake wood grain handrail there. Light fixture is probably not original. My first time seeing that indicator. Here, back at 1.